Still a bit of snow on the north side of the building. Let's see if we can start this old pig that only runs on 2 cylinders because it's got one bad coil pack. This will be the first time it was started since the last time, back in July. Well, since I don't have a good motorcycle battery, we'll try her this way. Chokes on. Ignition. Let's see if it still cranks. Horn work. Just thinking about it. Oh, it's in gear. Just a minute. Okay, let's see. Oh. I don't even know which way the switch is on. This will be the first time I ever cold started it. At least in the winter. Come on. Sweet, it's almost working. That's a confirmed start. If it started on 4 cylinders, it'd be great. More choke. Oh well, we'll call that good enough for me. Actually, by touching the exhaust pipes, it only started on 1 cylinder, so that's not bad. Just that first pipe was hot. But I'm sure it's got foul plugs, and I know it's got 2 bad spark plugs because of the coils. So anyways, if you want to buy this brown turd, the motor's perfect, the tires are good, the exhaust isn't rusted out, give me $150 and it's yours. And I can get the paperwork for it.